Some of you guys might wonder how I can stream all day while at work, even though I'm here after hours. But this is my streaming rig. It's got a desktop computer with a battery backup, so that way I can change plugs and move around, stuff like that. So, and then you get a keyboard, mouse, microphone pickup for my lavalier microphone, which is this. And then you just got the cords for the camera hookups and my monitor. And so we just load up OBS and hit go, and that's that. It's pretty straightforward and easy. So it's just a matter of having an internet connection. I have the Wi-Fi. I got a little router back here for my personal streaming stuff. And that's it. So just pull it around and clip it to different things, you know, clip it here and move the camera around, etc. Just to look at what we're doing, and it doesn't really get in the way. Anytime that I would be, what's the word, overly distracted by it, it would be time that you wouldn't really be doing anything anyway. It's the time you'd be sitting there watching a YouTube video or chatting with somebody if you're just waiting for parts or doing other stuff. There's a shocking amount of downtime involved in automotive, where you figure out something, you get all this stuff, you order it all, and now you wait. So, it is what it is. So I just thought I'd share with you guys how I do it.